How to log in or sign up to the SoundCloud account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can log in or sign up to your SoundCloud. So if you want to log in or sign up, first of all you have to download the SoundCloud app on your device. You have to navigate to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the SoundCloud. Once you have searched for the SoundCloud, here you can see the install option and you have to install this app on your device. After that, you have to go back and open up your SoundCloud here on your device. And here you can find the create account. So if you don't have an account, you have to just go for the create an account. If you have already an account, just go and tap on the I have already an account. So here I have to create a new one. So just go for that, and here you can create your account with your Google, Facebook, Apple ID and your email address, and you can continue with your account here. After that, you have to write your email address and password to log into your account here. You can see that. Also, you can choose your Gmail account to log into your SoundCloud app. So let's go for the continue option and follow the on-screen instruction to continue your account here. And after that, you have to write your display name and your age and your gender here and tap on the continue option. So here if they are verifying the device, the request content will be available after that. And after that, tap on the continue option and they are signing you in to the SoundCloud app. Also, you can get the pro version on your SoundCloud here. So this is the simple step how you can log in or create the account of your SoundCloud. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.